In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block someone on LinkedIn. This is a crucial skill if you want to manage your connections and maintain a professional environment on your LinkedIn profile. Let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step together. First things first, you need to open LinkedIn in your preferred web browser. Simply head over to linkedin.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to log into your account. LinkedIn offers multiple ways to sign in, whether it's through Google, Microsoft, or your own email address and password. Choose the method that you feel most comfortable with. Keep in mind, if you have two-factor authentication enabled, you might be prompted to enter an additional security code, usually sent to your phone. This step is essential to ensure that your account remains secure. After entering the code, you'll find yourself on your LinkedIn feed, ready to proceed with blocking someone. Now it's time to locate the person you wish to block. Use the search bar at the top of the page to enter their name and find their LinkedIn profile. Once you've located the correct profile, click on it to visit their page. This part of the process is crucial as it brings you to a space where all their information is gathered, including the tools you'll need to manage your connection. On their profile, you should look for the More button. This is typically represented by 3 dots and is found below the person's profile picture. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this drop-down menu, you'll need to select the Report Block option. This choice indicates that you are considering taking further action, either by reporting a concern or preventing interactions with the person. Once you've clicked on Report Block, a pop-up menu will appear. Here, you'll see the option to block the individual. It will appear as a block followed by their name. This is a significant step as it confirms your intention to manage your relationship with this individual. The next step is to select this option to proceed. To finalize the process, you'll need to click Block once more. This final click acts as your confirmation that you indeed wish to prevent the person from accessing your profile or interacting with you on LinkedIn. With this last action, you have successfully blocked the person, effectively removing them from your network and restricting any future interactions. And there you have it, folks. Blocking someone on LinkedIn is quite straightforward and truly empowers you to control your professional space with ease and confidence. By following these steps, you can ensure that your LinkedIn experience remains precisely how you want it. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you.